Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a very important topic in the global economy, namely the dynamic of currency depreciation in the global economy. Currency depreciation has become a crucial issue in the global economy. This phenomenon affects the stability of economy and the well-being of people in different countries. Currency depreciation can lead to economic instability. Inflation can jump high, people purchasing of power decreases, and the burden of foreign debt is getting heavier. This has a direct impact on people's well-being, as they will have difficulty meeting basic needs and their quality of life might decrease. The next one is let's understand together about currency depreciation. The first is the definition, a decrease in the exchange rate the one currency compared to another. This slide provides a simple and easy to understand definition of currency depreciation. Next, we also need to know the main causes of currency depreciation. Loose monetary policy, when a central bank lowers interest rates or prints more money, the value of the currency tends to decrease. This is because the money supply increases, so the demand for the currency also decreases. Trade balance imbalance. If a country imports more goods and services that it exports, then the value of its currency tends to decrease. This is because the demand for foreign currency increases, while the demand for domestic currency decreases. Changes in global commodity prices. If the price of the main commodity exported by a country decreases, then the value of its currency tends to decrease. This is because foreign exchange earning from export decreases, so the demand for domestic currency also decreases. And the latter emphasizes that currency depreciation often occurs in conditions of market uncertainty and impact of foreign policy. This suggests that currency depreciation is influenced not only by internal economic factors, but also by internal ones.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Sufriana Metrikolon. Here I will explain negative impacts of depreciation. The first negative impact of depreciation is high inflation or imported prices increase. Example, the depressing lira cost of basic goods to soar, sparking social disconnect and protests in various cities. And two, declining purchasing power. And number two, declining purchasing power. And meaning is people struggle to meet basic. Example is difficulty in meeting basic needs and decreasing consumption. And, and the last is foreign debt burden. The burden of foreign debt, or in other words, the payments in foreign currency, for example, is declining investment capacity and economic growth. Foreign debt can differ from that should be used for investment and develop, three, hampering long-term economic growth. Apart from the negative impacts of the depreciation, there are also positive impacts. The first positive impacts of depreciation is export competitiveness. Local products become captive for foreign buyers and increasing export demand. example is increasing state revenue through export, opening more jobs, and increasing local economic growth, and expanding market access for local products. In education, increasing export can also encourage innovative and improving the quality for local products to be more competitive in the global market. And the last impact is economic growth. Expanding export sector contribute to national economic growth. Uh, the expansion of the export sector has various positive impacts on national economic growth, including increasing state revenue, expanding um, employment uh, opportunities, increasing industrial competitiveness, and economic diversification.
Hello, my name is Victoria Jenibeli, NIM 2423751105. I will explain slide 5 and slide 6. Slide 5. Case studies of depreciation. Turkey 2022. Lira depreciated dramatically. Inflation reached 20%. Basic goods price surge. Mexico 2023. Peso depreciated cost 6.9% annual. Inflation due to rich import rates. Brazil 2023. Rate depreciation. Statement from trade balance deficits import purchasing power. Slide 6. Opportunities from depreciation. Insert exports. Local products become more competitive in global markets. Foreign investment. Local assets become more attractive to foreign investors. Tourism. Travel costs become more affordable for foreign tourists. And the last, import substitution. Local products gain advantage over imports. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Johanna Manafe. So now I will presenting the content on slide 7 and 8. Prevention policies, exchange rate stabilization, foreign exchange market intervention to reduce excessive fluctuations. Next, tight fiscal policies, reducing government spending and increasing taxes to control inflation. Next, responsive monetary policies, interest rate adjustment to attract investment and stabilize currency. Next, foreign reserve, building adequate foreign currency reserve for intervention we needed. Next, strategies for the public, investment diversification, spread assets across various investment instruments to mitigate risk from currency fluctuations. Next, financial literacy, improve understanding of exchange rate risk and financial management technique. Next, emergency savings, prepare reserve funds to cope with inflation and economic uncertainty.
Hello, my name is Elia Chemical Manapaina. What strategies can people and entrepreneurs use to adapt to change due to currency depreciation? adapting to currency depreciation when the flow of a local currency falls relative to others requires both individuals and entrepreneurs to be proactive and strategic. Here are key strategies for individuals. 1. Diversify incoming streams. And in foreign currencies short freelancing, remote work, or international business. 2. Hold for stable assets. 3. Cut dependency on imports. 4. Invest in skill. 5. Budget smarter. 4. Entrepreneurs 1. Hedge currency risks. 2. Localize supply chains. 3. Adjust pricing strategically. 4. Export focus. 5. Lean operations. 6. Reinvest in growth areas. 7. Negotiate controversially.